As a commission, we have no illusion that it is going to be easy to root out the negative influence of money on our elections, but we are determined to tackle the problem. We fully realize that today's initiative will not go down well with people who may not be committed to the growth of our electoral system and the consolidation of our democracy. We expect them to fight back. There will be both covert and overt pressure, countervailing actions, and even threats by vested interests. I wish to reiterate that our loyalty is to Nigeria and our allegiance is to Nigerians. We are committed to working with the collaborating agencies to see that this initiative succeeds in the 2023 general election and beyond. Let me similarly reiterate the Commission's resolve to continue to employ both technology and administrative measures to strengthen Nigeria's electoral process. I assure Nigerians that preparation for the 2023 general election is on course, and we shall not be swayed from that course. Be assured that the beavers has come to stay. Electronic transmission of results has come to stay. Public display of polling unit results through IReV has come to stay. With today's initiative, the elimination of the negative use of money in our electoral process will be tackled head-on. Once again, I would like to appreciate the Nigeria Police and other security and safety agencies, the ICPC, the EFCC, the MBC, and ACON for their support and partnership. I would similarly like to appreciate the Nigeria Financial Intelligence Unit, the Broadcasting Organization of Nigeria, the Newspaper Proprietors Association of Nigeria, political parties, civil society organizations, trade unions, professional bodies, financial institutions, and all our invited guests for honoring our invitation and for standing by INEC in our shared commitment to credible elections in Nigeria.